Another one of my favourite pictures. I just enjoyed getting the kind of quality of the feathers and everything. If you look at them, I did quite well there, I believe. Anyway, the story behind this was you have this expression in English, your feet are planted firmly on the ground, and I was just thinking, what kind of animal would want to plant their feet on the ground? And I had this idea of flamingos always have one leg up, like that when they're standing, and I thought, well, that'd be interesting. What happens if the other leg actually became a plant and it was planted on the ground, and so it looked like it was growing out of the ground, and obviously the flamingo then becomes the flower of the plant, and that was where the idea came from. Beautiful picture though.